Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our CASA-DUALBOOK. Let's go ahead and open the box. For step 1, we'll be needing 2 parts H and 2 parts G, as well as 4 parts of our number 4. We'll go ahead now and show you how to install. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts I and again 4 parts number 4. Let's show you how to install. For our next steps, we'll be taking our 1 part E and F, as well as G and H from previous, and our 2 I's from previous, and we'll be needing 8 of our number 2 screws. Let's go ahead and show you how to install now. So in this step, we'll be needing to combine the 2 post uprights with this part of the frame. This is a repeating step, so what we build here for 2 sides will be repeating for another. We'll be repeating this for our other side. For our next step, we'll be needing our previous 2 sides we've assembled. You'll notice they're the ones with the additional holes here. So there are more holes on each side than the other 2 sides. Then we need 4 of our panel A's, our boards, as well as 16 of our number 1 screws and the provided Allen key. We'll go ahead now and show you how to install. We'll do the same for the other side. Moving on to our next step, we'll be requiring parts D, our back brace, as well as 4 number 2 screws. Let's go ahead and show you how to install now. For our next step, we'll be needing the previous assembly as well as our other side, one of them. We also need 4 parts B and 1 part A, as well as 20 of our number 1 screws. Let's go ahead and show how to assemble it now. So taking a closer look at one of our part Bs, you'll notice that they've got 4 piloted holes on here. Just note, when installing, it needs to be facing the same side as the back brace. So like that. So we're going to do the same for the other side. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts of our C panels as well as our number 3 screws. We'll go ahead now and assemble. We'll be doing the same for the other 3 boards. For our last step, please refer to the manual regarding the anti-tipping installation. We'll not be doing it for this video. However, you'll find there are brackets and the necessary parts here for mounting it against the wall. Thank you for watching the assembly video of our CASA-DUALBOOK. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assembly videos and product reviews. Thank you.